Hey guys, it's me, DJ Fire, here in 343 Studios. And we are going to do a little talking today about some equipment from Betopper. All right, so we have gotten a few new pieces of equipment from Betopper, and there's going to be quite a few videos popping out here on the channel, well, at least a couple. So the first light we're going to talk about is their LB230. This is basically a 7R, 230 watt moving head. Now I know you can't really see me too well right now, but we will turn the lights on here in just a few minutes, and I will let you take a look at this mammoth. Now we have got some video we took in a gym of these hanging on a truss. I am going to put them on totems here in my house so that you guys can see what these look like on totems, just so you can kind of get an idea of what they look like. We'll run them probably on a show of some sort that we will program and that we will easily do from there. But these are really nice moving fixtures. If you're looking for something for a church, a stage, a band, a really big band, or if you're a lighting person that does a lot of lighting for different events, for like if you have the mobile stages and you're looking for lighting for your mobile stage, or you're looking for DJ lighting, these actually make really good DJ lights. They might be a little bit of overkill in some venues, but bigger venues, outdoor venues, if you're doing something outdoors, these things are bright. They have a lot of cool features. They do have PowerCon, DMX in, DMX out. They have a switch on the back. Makes it really, really awesome to be able to use these things. And you probably want to see what this thing looks like up close. Say hello to my little friend. It's not exactly little. So this is the LB230, again from Betopper. Their name is right here, as you can see. Hopefully you can see that. So this is a 7R. It is a big 7R, but I used to have two of these. They were the Ridgeyard 7Rs. Well, these are the Betopper 7Rs. And honestly, other than the bulb, the Osram bulb that's in this is the new Osram bulb, which lasts longer. These are a discharge lamp. This is not LED. So remember that there. If you don't want a discharge lamp, you want LED, this is probably not going to be the fixture for you. But if you don't mind, the bulbs are replaceable. You can take, let's see, I believe you take these screws out here and you can get to the bulb, which is back here in the back of the unit. I believe I have taken one of these apart before, and it's really easy to get to the bulb. The bulb just unplugs, pops out, slide the new one in, put it in its little housing, plug it back in, you're ready to go. And Betopper does sell the bulbs on their website, so never fear there of not being able to get the bulbs in your area. These bulbs are really easy to get. You can check out the link below, which will help the channel. It is an affiliate link. You can check these things out. They're always having sales on these. I believe these are $399. Normal price, I think they have them set down to $299 right now, so you get like $100 off these. They did ship in some pretty good sized boxes. The boxes were not super in great shape when we got them, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it was Betopper's fault. I don't know if you've ever seen how some of the packages get to us sometimes, but it's crazy. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It has been a little while, but we are back. We've got a lot of awesome action-packed videos coming to you guys here. As you can see, we're here in my living room because it is negative 25 degrees outside. And this guy ain't going outside unless I got a snowplow. So it's super cold. Hopefully where you're at, the sun or the heat is shining down on you and keeping you guys warm. So what we're going to talk about today, giant moving head we have here flashing away above my head. This is the LB230, about said 260. This is the 230 from Betopper. It's basically an ordinary 7R. There is a few differences that this 7R has that some 7Rs don't have. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so this 7R, you're all like, oh, one 7R, they're like all 7Rs. Well, I will say, this 7R has a few same features that some 7Rs do. It also has something different. It has the Osram bulb. This bulb is better, brighter, crisper, stays cooler, as you can see, brighter. This thing is actually just in an auto show right now. It is on a 6.5 foot stick of truss by Cedars Link. We do have it sitting on a 12-inch piece. It fits up there perfectly. It looks great. So if you guys are using these for, you know, totem mounts, they will mount. I am going to show you some footage we have on these, flying these on a truss, shooting straight at. We do have Betopper to thank. They did send this over for me to demonstrate for you guys and show you the cool stuff. They are having some cool sales right now. This retails normally for $3.99, I believe, so around $400. Right now they have it on sale for $2.99, or at least it is at the time of this recording. So if you guys want to pick some of these up, I believe they have these in stock. Pretty sure they ship from, at least ours ship from Oklahoma, I believe. So, and they got here in pretty good quality time, 3-4 days maybe. The boxing, I will say, that they showed up in wasn't super great. I wish they would use a little bit better styrofoam, maybe a little bit better packaging. And that could also be the packaging was tore up due to maybe UPS, FedEx. You know, it does have 3 or 4 different auto screensavers on here that you guys can use. I am going to turn the lights up here in just a few, just so you can see this a little better. And we're going to bring this in a little closer so that you can see it. I just wanted you to see how much light it's putting off here in my living room with one of these. So again, this thing's pretty awesome. It is a beam. I believe it's a 3 or 4 degree beam. It also is a wash, which we'll show you that in the video here that we took here at the gym. It also has some cool gobos. As you can see it shining back here. It also points down really, really good. I do like it. As you can see, it's pointing down. So that it is actually able to get down on the dance floor, even on a totem. So that makes really awesome if you're going to use these on totems. These are big, big lights. Big lights. Okay, so we have the base. It does have handles. Of course, you do have the unit here. I will bring the head down here so you can see it. It does have pretty loud fans in it, but if you're using music and these are up in the air, you're not going to hear those. But that loud fans just mean that it's keeping the bulb, keeping the things that make this thing does what it does cool. And you definitely do not want to lose, you know, if heat can actually destroy stuff if it gets too hot. It does have 540 degree pan, and it has a 200 and I believe it's 40 or 70 degree tilt. Kind of hard to reach that clear up there, but and it does tilt super low. You do have a locking deal on here, so you can flip that head up and lock it. They do make flight cases for these. The ones that I used to have, and this one's made for it, but it's not there, has the deal here on the side so you can lock the pan. These do not have these. These have handles. These have power con in. These do not have a power con out. It's the only thing I wish it would have. It does have a power switch on the back, a DMX in, a DMX out. If you're going to be using these, you do need to use DMX. These are not something you put on an auto show and let them go. These are not like some of your other lights that are okay to put on an auto show, like some of the other ones you're going to see here on the channel here in a very short time. But this thing here, you're going to want to make sure you're using DMX, you're using Chavez Show Express, you're using some sort of computer, you're using an analog controller to make this thing do what it was.
Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah. Yeah. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. A little crazy for you. Yeah. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby.
All right, guys, these lights are really cool. As you could see there, go ahead, DJ Mike James also received one of these lights, and he was able to bring his in so we could use 2 of them in this video. And I want to give a big shout out to him, saying thank you so much for allowing us to use each other in our videos. If you haven't done so, make sure you go check out DJ Mike James. He's got some really cool stuff coming out that you don't want to miss. Betopper, again, thank you guys for sending this one over. And check out the different gobos. Check out the different stuff that this light offers. You will not be disappointed with this light. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Don't know what you do.